The world of porcelain enamel sinks has a new star in Porcela. Houzer has replaced the cumbersome cast iron core of porcelain sinks of old with light and resilient steel. Now you can consider a porcelain enamel undermount sink where you couldn't before. Porcela has taken the timeless appeal of the porcelain enamel-coated sink and transformed it for today's kitchens. The line's innovative shapes and colorful cast of hues add a luxurious and nostalgic element to traditional, transitional, or contemporary designs. You'll find Houzer's 3 decades of expertise manufacturing stainless steel sinks inside every Porcela sink. Their glossy finish is also impact, heat, stain, chip, and scratch resistant. Plus, their inorganic, non-porous surface makes them easy to clean and keep hygienic. Starting with a steel core, open the door for a range of creative sink designs. Choose from 4 models based on Houzer's most popular undermount single bowl styles, and pick from 8 colors to match your personal taste: white, black, biscuit, espresso, navy blue, lemon, mint, and slate. Porcela sinks give you the look and feel of porcelain enamel cast iron, but they're as easy to install as stainless steel sinks. No crew of 2 to 3 people or custom reinforced cabinets required. Porcela's durable porcelain enamel finish is double baked at 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. Going to such high temperatures makes the surface of these sinks very difficult to strain or stain. It's just the beginning of a long list of brilliant features, which ends with an amazing 10-year warranty. Ready for a change of cast? Porcela is sure to shine in your kitchen design.